Hi, I'm Ashley from Otago Museum here in Dunedin, home to 1.5 million objects in Tauka. And today we have Lana, who's going to be showing you that going plastic free isn't new. It's actually going back to the way we used to be. Take it away, Lana.
Hello, sweetheart. What a honey. Oh, thanks, Ashley. Single-use plastics are everywhere. Most plastic water bottles are used only once, and it can take about 450 years for them to break down. Food packaging is often metallicized plastic, which is near on impossible to recycle, which is why you find it washed up on our shores. Over time, plastics leach through toxic chemicals into our environment, and these can be ingested by our most vulnerable marine wildlife. Today, single-use plastics are everywhere, but it wasn't always that way. Come and join me into the galleries and we'll find out what they used to use. Here we have a pair of water gourds from New Caledonia. They are the perfect water container. All you do is you hollow them out, they're dried, perfect, can't get better than that. Isn't this cool? Glass is the best thing for containing water. This is an aerated water bottle. It's a torpedo shape. It's from Cromwell and it was in the late 19th century. Here we have some amazing examples of natural wrapping. This is a pohatiti. It was used to preserve foods when you're going on long journeys. It's made from bull kelp. Here's more of a modern take. This is beeswax wrap. It's reusable. It is awesome. So from the old and the new, you don't need to use plastic. That's a wrap. Let's have a look at our lunchboxes. Here's lunchbox number 1 and lunchbox number 2. Let's take a bit of an audit here. Now, if we look in lunchbox number 1, lots of plastic wrapping, we've even got cling film. What have we done here in lunchbox number 2? It's actually using beeswax wrap. And look at this cunning idea, a natural wrapping. Thank you, Mandarin. So you don't have to use all of these plastics. It's really easy. Just have a look to see what you can do to make a difference. So let's learn from the past. Use some natural fibres. You don't need to use single-use plastic packaging. Go on, grab yourself a reusable bottle, beeswax wrap, metal spoon, reusable containers, and who knows, it might end up being in a museum in the future.
Thanks, Lana. That was great. Now you can join in too and help save the planet with every lunch. Otago Museum is home to items, treasures and stories from our past. We have 8 free galleries and hours of fun and learning. So come drop by and visit the next time that you're in Dunedin.
That's a wrap.